If you want to add custom graphics or images to your reel, let me show you how to quickly and easily do that.
Hi, I'm Wonderful Ida, an educational video producer based in Vancouver, Canada.
I teach you how to film yourself so you can film once to teach many. If you want to leverage your expertise to make money, then make sure to subscribe to my channel because I have new videos every Wednesday. So if we want to add custom graphics or fonts or any images to our reels, we first have to have them. If you have an image that's saved as a PNG, what a PNG means is that it's just the image and the background is clear, then you can add those. However, if you don't have any and you want to create some cool graphics, let me show you how to first create the graphics in Canva, and then we're going to add them to Instagram Reels. So let's start by going into Canva. When you go into Canva, the size of your canvas doesn't really matter because we're not going to be using the entire thing. It's just going to show you the sizing of it. You can adjust it later. So I'm just gonna make a new, and I'm gonna do custom size. I'm gonna do it as a square so that it's easy. Sorry, not pixels, inches. 5 by 5, say 5 by 5 inches so that it's just easily savable. I don't want any of the custom stuff. Now I need to find the graphic that I want to add. So I'm gonna go the plus sign and then elements. And now I'm gonna look for something that I want to add. In this, if I make it into a video, it's going to save it out as a video. It's not gonna save it out as a PNG or anything animated. It's not gonna save out as a PNG. So I won't be able to add that element without the background. The background will show. So I want to make sure that it's a graphic that's not moving, has no animation to it. Let's just add a camera. There we go. So I can see there is one here that's moving, so I don't want that. Let's just add, here, that's a cute camera. I can zoom in, I can make it fill the frame. You want it to fill the frame so that it's not pixelated. The more it fills the frame, the less pixelated it's gonna look when you stretch it. So let's go, there we go, that's good. To download it, I could just press the download button, but that's just gonna do the automatic saving options, and it's probably gonna include the background. So what I'm gonna do is press the arrow going up, out, not the save one, and then I'm gonna press download. And now it's gonna give me some options. So I want this as a PNG, but here's the important part, is I want to select transparent background. So I'm gonna select transparent background and I'm gonna download. Now it's downloading my image. There we go. And let's delete this. Let's add another one. Let's add an arrow. This could be really helpful if you want to show something specific in your videos. You want it just pointing to something. So here's a nice arrow. This is the arrow I use. This is white on white. If I save it white on white, it is going to be a white arrow. However, I could also change the color, so I can press color. My color palette is already saved, so I'm going to select yellow. I got that changed, and now I'm going to export that. Download, transparent background, make sure it's selected, and let's download. Awesome. So now let's go over to Instagram Reels, and I'm gonna film just a reel. When you're adding graphics or adding elements or text or anything, you need to go to preview. Once the menu is up top, that's when you're gonna be able to add it. So now to add that graphic, all I do is I go over to my photos. Go to my photos. I'm gonna go to my most recent. I can see here, so you can see the camera that saved with the white background. It has the white because I didn't press the transparent, and then this one doesn't have it. Let's add these. You can't even see because they're dark on black. So let's go to the bottom to that box with the arrow on it, copy photo, and then go over, and then you can paste it. Now I can make it as big or as little as I want it. You can see when I make it big, the yellow border appears around it. That yellow border just means that it's not going to show that portion while the reel shows in someone's feed, it's only gonna show the whole thing when you're in Reels. So you want to make sure that whatever you're posting is within that safety zone. So I'm gonna add those because those don't matter. Let's add the other graphics. So I'm gonna go back over and let's add the camera. So I'm selecting the camera, the box, the arrow, copy photo. I'm gonna paste it. There's my camera. And I'm gonna, this is a really bad graphic, I apologize. Let's go back over and let's add the arrow, copy photo. There we go, it's gonna paste it right in there. I can move that arrow so it's pointing to the camera. And now we wanna add some text to this as well, right? So let's go back into Canva and let's just add some text in here. So let's delete this and let's plus, and then we're gonna go down to text. So it has some recently used or some text combos that you can use. Let's do feeling cute. There we go, I'm just gonna leave it as is. And then remember to download, you have to export it out, download, make sure the background is transparent, download that. And let's go over here. Oh, sorry, missed one step. So go over to your photos, go to your text or your font, copy photo, and then come back over and it's going to post it. So if you want to add something on top of the other next thing, so say I want that arrow on top, I just have to touch it last. So whatever you touch last is gonna appear on top. So if I have this here, and if I want the background to appear on top, there I can have that. With that background, I touch it and it appears on top, but say I don't want some of these, I could just hold that down and then slide it to that garbage and it's gonna delete it. There we go. So we have, if I press the camera, see that camera is gonna go on top, and then I can press the arrow so that goes on top. And now you can see that these are going to appear here at the bottom. This is going to allow me to change the duration of these graphics and fonts. If this doesn't appear, all you gotta do is press that font button up top and then done, and they will appear. Now to change the duration of a certain text, so say we want the camera, then the arrow, then the feeling cute to come up. So I'm gonna select the camera, and we want the camera on the whole time, so let's just leave that. Now I'm gonna select the arrow, and I know what is selected once it's white, and then I can trim the beginning so it doesn't appear right at the beginning. There we go, done. And then let's trim this so it goes in, and let's trim it so it goes out. So now I can see it's gonna go in and out. Camera stays in there. So there you have it. Now you know how to add graphics and custom text to Reels. If you want to try out Canva, please use my link in the description and in the comments. By using my link and trying it out, you're just going to help support my channel. I do have an affiliate link for it, so I will make some money and I'll love you forever. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, or better yet, leave me a comment below. I have new videos out each and every week. Until next time, peace!